Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Marco Creativity. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit subscribe, and make sure when you hit subscribe to turn on your bell notification to all. Make sure your notification bell is turned on to all. That's how you're going to find out if I uploaded a video. So today I'm going to be painting. Okay, so if you want to see me freestyle paint, then just go ahead. No, I'm not a professional. I'm an amateur at this, but you know what? It's something that I enjoy doing. Okay, so what I've done on my channel before, okay, I did this painting here. Okay, so it's not my first time doing this on my channel. What I decided that I wanted to go ahead and try my hand at freestyle painting again. So I have some paint that I'm going to be using right here that came from Ross for $6.99 too as well. And I'm going to try to incorporate some makeup sponges. And I have my paint brushes, a tin pan, and some water, okay, that I'm going to use to clean my brushes off. Okay, so I'm not going to do too much talking. I'm just going to start painting. So stay tuned, stick with me, okay? And if you like what I'm doing, go ahead and make sure that you give me a thumbs up. And you know what? Tell people about my channel, okay? Yes, that will help me out so much. Thumbs up, share my video, subscribe, notification bell on. Okay, now I don't know what I'm doing, what way I'm going, but I'm just going to say that I'm happy. Okay, that's the emotion that I'm feeling right now. Okay, it's happy. So I'm going to also incorporate this glitter here, okay, which is gold. Okay, so if you're already subscribed to my channel, then you already know that I like gold. Okay, and I'm going to use this glue stick because I'm going to try to give it some dimension, and it's going to help the glitter adhere to my canvas. Okay, so I'm going to just start. I don't know what it's going to look like or anything. I don't know. So, and I should have cleaned my brushes before, because as you can see, there's still pink there. So I hope that it doesn't transfer too badly, okay? So I hope it doesn't, but for some reason I think it's going to. Just start putting glue on here in various places. Okay. I feel like the glitter fairy. Okay, now I'm going to get my sponge. And this is why I call it freestyle painting, okay? Because I don't know what or how it's going to turn out, okay? That's all I can say. I don't know. I'm just going with the emotion of happy, okay? I don't know, but I know that I love everything gold. So I don't know what's going to happen. Okay, I just decided to add a little yellow in with the gold just to give it a different variation. Okay. See that gold is going, yellow is going to streak through there. Yeah, that's what I want. So I decided to put some brown in with it. And that's where that color is picking up in it. Okay. Yes. See? So let's go. Yes. Now I'm going to take my sponge again and just start to smooth it out. Okay. All right. Once it get mixed in and I think it's blended exactly how I want it up in here, then I'll stop and I'll leave it alone and start working on the bottom. Okay, so all I did was took my brush, just like my sponge, just like so, and just began to, okay, stroke it on out. Use anything from my video, make sure that you let people know about my channel. I would highly appreciate it. Guys, now what I'm about to do is add a little black, which I've already done so. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little black to my canvas. All right, wrong way, just whatever you're feeling. Okay, that's what freestyling is. Okay, putting on the finishing touches. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do. So I feel like it needs a little bit more gold. Okay. And when I'm painting, I'm just, being optimistic in my mind space, And I believe that's what helps my creativity. It's just a part of my personality, okay? I love art. Especially this type of art, because, no skills professional skills required. Okay, you're just doing what comes natural. Can you see the glitter flakes on it? Yes, that's what I was going. Okay, so I think I'm gonna call this one complete. Alrighty. Thanks for visiting me. Okay, make sure you give me a thumbs up and come back and visit my channel. I'm Miss Virgo Creativity. It was such a delight to have you here with me. Okay, and I like to say this at the end of my videos. I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free and you're doing the things that you love to do. That's right. Peace.